Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix game not using GPU in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you are trying to play a game and that particular game is not using your graphics card, so whenever I play my game, I want my graphics card to be enabled on that particular game. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Comes up graphics settings, click on open it. In here you just need to scroll down and search for the game you want to set the graphics settings. If you can't able to find it, then you just need to browse it guys. Click on browse. You just need to navigate to the file location of the game you want to add it. For example, I just adding any games over here. For example, I just adding Roblox. Click on add it. And after adding Roblox, you just need to select the game over here, and now you just need to select the options, and now you just need to select high performance over here and select save option. And now this will help you to improve performance in the game guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.